since this is my first time using the Miracle Bar Soap, it means it's working. And welcome back for another update video for the SomeByMi Miracle Soap. Now for my first video, I gave the first impression for the Miracle Toner, and then I do a update video where I did my 30 days toner routine. So apparently, just a recap, the toner doesn't work for me. I noticed from my skin it tightens my pores, but SomeByMi came up with another two kind of product, which one is the serum and the bar soap. So from now, I have the Miracle Bar Soap, which I also include in my skincare routine. I wash my face morning and night using that bar soap, then go to a toner, and the rest is my skincare routine, which is I apply my eye cream and then my moisturizer. That's it. I don't apply anything else. So this is what the bar soap looks like. It says here AHA, BHA, PHA 30 days miracle cleansing bar. So the packaging, I will also include a short clip here. As you open it, the bar soap, it came also with another cover, which is amazing. Not like other bar soap, which is came out exactly in the box, but this one here came with it sealed, and it says, look what it does. It says Miracle Soap. Nothing on the back. So apparently I can't show you completely the soap because I did cut my soap into 3. So this is the remaining soap. So the color is like lime green color, and as I chopped it into 3, the online seller said for you to use it wisely, better you cut your soap into 3 or into 4. It depends on you, and then you can keep the rest and put 1 bar soap at a time in the foaming net, which they also provide. So this is the foaming net. As you can see, I already put my 1 soap here, and I may notice it really quick melts, especially if you're not only using this with your face. I also use the other bar soap in my back since I have acne on my back, but it really quite do the work. So I just hang it on near in my shower, and it's easy to wash it. It's give you that thick foam, and you apply it on your face and then you rinse it. So I'm using this twice a day. So apparently the product claim same as the toner, they can tighten your pores, remove the black and white heads, which is a new one, also reduce your breakouts, pigmentation, which mostly of us has pigmentation on our face due to sun exposure or aging. So this soap claim it to do all the work. This is my first impression. I'm going to show you some videos here where I use the Miracle Bar Soap with my skincare routine, but I may say it doesn't help that easily. I still have some breakouts here on my cheeks area, but on my chin and in my forehead, I don't have any acne anymore. Thank you. Now for this bar soap, I'm going to use it for 30 days. I'm also going to do a separate video where I use this bar soap for 30 days at my back, since I have a prone acne on my back due to pregnancy, because during your pregnancy the hormones changes, but until now I still have some acne on my back. So I'm just going to read from all the ingredients here. It has here Real Tea Tree 10,000 ppm. It's a pore care, brightening and moisturizer. The AHA and BHA and PHA work as an effective exfoliator to leave skin clearer and more radiant than before. So this is what the bar soap claim, same as the toner. So I'm surprised. SomeByMi. SomeByMi is a Korean brand soap. You can purchase in any online store, but for you to check if it's authentic, they have a barcode here, which mine it's already there, but I'm going to show you a clip here, a barcode where I also show you on my second video of it. You can download the Hidden Tag app in your mobile phones, scan it, tag, and they will definitely show you if it's fake or not. This bar soap is going to be included in my skincare routine, and I'll definitely give a feedback. But as aside from my previous video for the Miracle SomeByMi, the toner doesn't give me that much miracle on my skin. aside from some viewers or some testers that who use the Miracle Toner, they see a difference, which is they also show some images. But for me, as you can see, I still have some impurities on my cheeks area, but I may say since the ingredients are more on natural, so this is what they are claiming for. And by the way, if you start using the Miracle Bar Soap, the next day you will notice that you have another new acne, which is surprisingly, because it happens to me day one. I already have a pimple. Look at that. The next day I got an acne. I was like, I think this Miracle Bar Soap is not really for me. The lady in the online seller said, since this is my first time using the Miracle Bar Soap, it means it's working. But my remaining acne, my previous acne, it's still here, but I'm hoping it will clear out. So I'll definitely do another video soon. Okay, so this is for today's video about the Miracle Bar Soap. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to give a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!